Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So let's check your person's emotion ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, yung kanyang FB page is ito. Okay? Aking ipina-flash sa screen, o diba? And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message at lumapit. Okay? And syempre, yung ating items. Okay. Sa mga sa mga nahabaan sa intro, you can skip, no? Skip. I-scroll nyo na lang. Pero hanggat naka-premiere pa ito kay YT, so hindi nyo pa may skip, so pasensya na. Okay, hindi nyo pa siya mai-skip, pero kapag tapos na yung yung premiere, then pwede nyo siyang skip. Okay, anyway, so ang items natin, meron tayong Evil Eye Protection Ring. This is adjustable po yung ring natin. And meron tayong dalawang sample, dalawang design ng Evil Eye Bracelet, Evil Eye Protection po So isang adjustable, isang garterized. So ganyan siya. Ito yung garterized. Okay? Ito yung adjustable. Available in red string po ito So meron siyang 5 colors. Okay, ng Evil Eye, kung nakikita ninyo, no? So meron kanya-kanyang roles sa pagpo-protect yung mga Evil Eye na nandito. Okay? So, itong ating Evil Eye ring, Evil Eye necklace. Yan, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, meron siyang extender. Okay, so ganyan yung ating Evil Eye necklace. So ganyan siya sa malapitan. Meron siyang blue stone sa kanyang center, as you can see. Kahit hindi maganda yung ating camera. Okay, so yun po Pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. So ito namang ating love bracelet. So anything about love. Kahit pwede sa'yo to. Okay? So, kung ikaw is single, kung ikaw itong nasa isang situationship, no label, yan, isa-isahin natin. Sa may mga conflict, masyadong maraming conflict, no, na connection, yan, pwede sa'yo yan. And syempre, kahit ikaw itong nasa isang maganda ng connection, yes, may po-provide pa rin, no, yung ating love bracelet for you. Alam nito kung anong kulang pa. Okay? So, siya na yung bahala sa situation. And syempre, yung ating Granter necklace. So, si Granter necklace yung mahilig bigay, no, ng surprises. Okay? So, ang totoong trabaho, no? Trabaho ni Granter is to grant kung anong winamanifest mo. Okay? So, sa totoo lang, di naman lahat nga ng minamanifest mo is para sa'yo. Okay? Hindi po ganun, Doon lang tayo sa katotohanan, Okay? So, kung hindi pwede, ibang mga ibibigay niya sa'yo, like surprises, no? Iba. So, kung pwede naman sa'yo, yung iyong minamanifest, no downtime. Okay? Pagdating kay Granter, bakit pa niya patatagalin? Okay? Kung deserve mo naman yung minamanifest mo. Okay? 3 months, bilang kayo 3 months. Kapag dumating, meaning para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, mapapansin mo, okay? Mapapansin mo, may mga surprises na ibinibigay or ibibigay si Granter sa'yo. Okay? Ganun siya. Patas lang. And, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. Anyway, so, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gugustuhin. Okay, ang importante lang is yung ito. Okay, yung ating pendant. Front and back, same lang. Okay? So, and this is customized by Fias Tarot. Diba? Walang ganyan na tawag dyan. design. Okay? So, yeah, sa iba. So, ito ang ating last. So, yung ating pang cord cut. So, pagtatanggal po, no, ng mga hindi na dapat na energy na nakakapit pa sa inyo. So, yun ang ating aalisin. Yun ang ating parang tawag dyan, ika-cut na. Okay? Syempre. So, yeah, again, kung may tanong pa, message na lang po, no, sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yeah, let's start the reading. You can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node kung alam ninyo. Mas maganda talaga kung alam. Okay, so let's start with Aries placements. Okay, so sino ba itong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Aries. Anong meron dito sa taong to? Para alam mo na siya. Okay. Anong meron dito sa person mo na to? Description ng person. Let's see. Oh no. False person. Oh no. So, may chance na itong taong to is hindi for you, or sabihin nating marami siyang ginagawang kasinungalingan, may mga nakatago, something like that. Okay? So, let's see. What's with this false person? Number 8. Number 8 could be significant. Okay? Number 8. So, anong meron dito sa false person? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Ay. Di ba may pagkaltak? So, itong taong to, sabihin nating all about themselves. Okay? May ganyan. Iba sa inyo, sabihin nating alam mong hindi naman na talaga ito worth it, no? Itong taong to, the situation, this person, alam nyo na, pero ginagawa nyo pa rin, or ginawa nyo pa rin ng paraan para magkaroon ng, sabihin nating magandang flow, no? Sa inyo, nitong, kung sino man to. Ha? So, nakakuha ko ng energy dito ng Seven of Swords, which is air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. We have here Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anyway, this could be any sign. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba? Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na magkasama pa rin kayo nitong taong to, Aries. Ginamit ka ng taong to, pwedeng alam mo yun. Ha? So, anong emotion ito for you? What is your emotion? Deep, deep down. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Wow. No worries, diba? Anong meron? Ayan, una ko narinig sa Eight of Swords na yan. See? Swords. This is air sign. Anong meron sa Eight of Swords? So, naka-reversed. The Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Itong taong to, wala siyang ka-worry-worry pagdating sa connection nyo. Alam niyang invested ka. I'm sorry. Alam niyang invested ka. Okay? Itong taong to, anytime na parang bisitin ka, kung ano man, about negative, no? Na energy, pwede niya iba to sa'yo. Pwede niyang gawin. Kasi, alam nga niya na, sabihin nating, under ka niya. Masakit man na marinig yung word na under, pero yun yung nakukuha ko dito. Okay? Worry-free yung person. Yeah, worry-free. Comfortable. Yes. Mag-i-stay siya actually. Mag-i-stay siya. Iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay sabihin nating andun yung energy about distance, hindi ito totally lalayo sa energy mo, Aries. Mimiyat miyaing ka, like sabihin natin, kumusta ka, ganto ganyan. Yeah, mga ganong bagay. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Pero hindi mo malalaman kung anong meron, bakit. Okay? So, isang malaking question mark itong taong to sa'yo. isang malaki siyang question mark. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, bakit ko pa ba ito ginagawa sa kanya? Alam ko naman na hindi na tama. So, sa ginagawa mo, inaalis mo yung worry. Okay? Nitong taong to pagdating sa'yo or sa connection nyo. Alam niya na nandyan siya sa, sabihin nating, higaan, no? Oo. It's like hindi siya para humiga sa banig. Okay? Alam niya na magiging okay yung situation niya pag nasa iyo siya. Whether you like it or not. Okay? So, yeah, air sign and earth sign. So, yun ang aking nakikita for you. Aries. Okay. So, next. Okay, Taurus. So, sino ba ito, Taurus? Itong taong to. Description, kuha tayo. You can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node, kung alam. Okay. So, ano ba? Sino ba itong taong to, Taurus? Anong meron sa kanya? Thief. Oh my. Thief. Let's see. Anong meron dyan? Something. Pwedeng, energy ito ng Seven of Swords. Katulad nung kay Aries. Anyway. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's with this thief? What's with this thief? Okay. Number 24 could be significant. Okay, let's see. The Ace of Cups in reverse. They're not true. Pagdating sa emotion nila in general. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay? May pananamantala ako nakukuha dito sa taong to. Minanipula ka. Minanipula ka niya. The Eight of Swords. The Two of Swords in reverse. No, the World in reverse. Why the Two of Swords? Some of them, ha? Oo. Sa ganung pagsasalita ko na hindi ako aware, no? Yan. This is a clarification. May chance na itong taong to may tinago sa'yo. Okay? May tinago sa'yo na ibang connection. That's so specific. May inilihim. May tinago. Meron, sabihin nating, meron siyang hindi ibinigay sa'yo na katotohanan about their situation. Some of them hindi sila makapagbigay like ng kanilang Ace of Cups. Their love, no? Hindi nila maibigay sa iyo yun kasi there's something na nakatago behind. Okay? Oo, may backstory or maybe, 'di ba? So, anyway. So, let's see. Some of them, talagang tinatago nila yung totoong emosyon. I don't know why. So, isa na doon na pwede sabihin natin meron siyang kakonect. Maybe they're dealing with two people or more. Okay, bulol na ako. Anyway, so, let's see. Their emotion. Deep down. Their emotion for you. Taurus. The Eight of Cups in reversed. Some of them, may chance na past person mo to. Yeah, they're there. They're present. You don't know why. Being sneaky. Yeah. Pero wala naman na ibinibigay na offer. What's with this Eight of Cups? Some of them, hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you, actually. No, if this is a past person. Yeah. Ay! The Ace of Pentacles. Itong taong to, gusto ka pa rin. Yeah, gusto ka pa rin. The Ten of Pentacles is here in reversed. So, in general, Meron itong mga responsibilidad na hindi mo alam or pwedeng ikaw, alam mo mismo. Meron pang hindi tapos na issue pagdating sa kanya. So that is why hindi sila pwedeng mag-offer ng genuine connection with you. May chance meron itong merong involve family, I guess. Children, kid, okay? Pero gusto niya magkaroon kayo ng new beginning. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Pero this is so slow. Slow. Hindi mo malalaman bakit. Hindi mo malalaman bakit siya nandyan. Still. They want a new beginning with you. Pero, see, the King of Pentacles. Itong taong to may chance talaga na may iba. Na may asawa. Parang in general responsibilities, pero hindi ka pa rin niya kayang alisan. Gusto pa niya makipagbalikan, makipag-ayos. Yeah. The Sun in reverse. There's something hidden here. May nakatago. The Hermit, actually, iba sa inyo, hindi mo alam to. Sobrang nakatago. There's this energy about manipulation. There's manipulation here. Kaya hindi niya maipakita yung totoo niyang emosyon or intention sa'yo because hindi pwede. Okay? Nandyan lang sila para makipagbalikan. You don't know why. Some of them, may nangyaring separation sa inyo, hindi mo alam bakit nangyari yung separation. Bigla na lang siyang nawala, parang ganyan, or nakipaghiwalay. You don't know the reason why. So, yeah. Energy, pwedeng, again, backstory, behind the scene, na hindi mo alam, no? And then, yeah, here they come again. Gusto ulit nila ng another chance with you. They want another chance with you. Kung hindi pa to uma-action. Okay? They're sad. They're looking for you, searching for you anywhere. Okay? Yeah. So, we have here, Leo, water, earth, water. Okay, and the air sign. So, next, Gemini. Okay, Gemini placements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your person's emotion this coming week for you, Gemini. Check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Kung alam, mas maganda po. Okay, so kuha tayong description sa taong ito. Gemini, anong meron sa kanya? Gemini, family room. Okay, may chance na meron na kayong sariling pamilya, no? Nitong taong to. Something, I think, this is channeled. Meron ditong issue around family. Okay? What's with this? Family room. What's with this family room? Merong mga kailangang sabihin nating pag-usapan. Okay? What's with this? The Eight of Wands. Yeah. The Eight of Wands is action or communication. Issue na kailangang i-fix siguro. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano tong Eight of Wands? The Devil, yeah. The Devil in reverse. So, kailangan may mga i-fix. Kailangan may mapag-usapan dito. Okay? Alam mo yun, may nakikita ako dito parang nagkakape. Oo, habang nagkakape talaga, habang meron kayong mga napapag-usapan or pinag-uusapan. Some of them, pwedeng kilala mo na yung family nila, yung family niya, like open itong taong to pagdating sa'yo, vice versa. Okay, so let's see. Yung iba sa inyo, this is specific, I'm hearing the word pamanhikan. Okay, pwedeng mamamanhikan itong taong ito or ikaw sa kanya, like that. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon kayo ng family like hindi planado. Okay? Nagkaanak kayo, hindi planado. May ganong energy po, no? So, let's see. Gemini. Anong emosyon niya for you right now? The Six of Pentacles. Some of them, gusto nilang humingi ng sorry. Yeah. Gusto nilang humingi ng isa pang pagkakataon. Maybe. Okay? Kailangan ka niya. Actually, kailangan niyo yung isa't isa, I think. Okay. What's with the Six of Pentacles? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Alam mo, Gemini, iba sa kanila, kung ano man yung pagkakakilala niya sa'yo, nandun yung pagtanggap niya. Nandun yung pagtanggap niya. It's like, okay, kung paano kita nakilala, nag-a-adjust tong taong to, Gemini. Nag-a-adjust siya sa kung ano ka, sa kung anong meron sa'yo. Yeah. The Seven of Pentacles Universe. Kasi sabihin nating waste of time, waste of energy, kung sabihin nating pipigilan niya yung mga gusto mo. Anyway, for me, no, medyo toxic, sa totoo lang. The devil is here. Medyo toxic, kung ganun. So, kung ikaw, parang iniintindi lang ng taong to, medyo adjust rin tayo, no, ng kaunti. Anyway. Wala, gusto ka niya. Some of you, the SEX is great. Okay? That is why. No? Or sabihin nating matured lang yung taong mag-isip. Kaya ganyan. Kaya kanyang intindihin. Alam na tong taong to na kailangan mo mag-sorry. Iba sa inyo, Gemini, alam niya na kailangan mo mag-sorry sa kanya pero hindi niya yun para hingiin sa'yo. Yes. They're independent. Parang independent yung kanyang sabihin nating energy. Hindi niya para hingiin yung kung ano man. Kasi parang kaya niyang tumindig sa sarili niya. Parang ganun. Okay? Like they're open. Pero 'di ba, ang toxic lang. Kung ang iniintindi ng taong to sa'yo is hindi dapat na. No? Anyway, kung vice versa to, well, you have to speak up. No? Oo. Hindi pwede yung, the Hangman in reverse, the Ten of Cups, hindi pwede. Yung parang, okay, hayaan ko lang to. Hindi, no? So, yeah, yun ang nakikita for you. So, malakas lang din kasi yung attraction dito. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, ito, Gemini, kung sa tingin mo meron kayong mga kailangan pag-usapan, mga issue kailangan i-fix, then, yeah, they're open. They're open. Okay? Kung ano man ang magiging desisyon, papayag sila. Kung hindi ang sagot mo, payag sila. Kung oo ang sagot mo, payag din sila. Ganun sila. Okay? So, pwedeng fire, earth, Capricorn, and fire. Okay. So, next, Cancer. Okay. So, Cancerians. So, let's see your person's emotion this week for you. Your person's emotion. This week for Cancerians. Let's see, kuha muna tayong description about this person. Anong description meron? Distant horizon. Some of you, pwedeng magkalayo kayo nito. May distant. No, may distansya, I mean. Pwedeng LDR. O pwedeng may nangyaring separation sa inyong dalawa. Okay, may paglayo, may pagdistansya. Okay? So, what's with this distant horizons? What's with this? The Four of Wands. Okay. So, yung iba, sabihin nating yes, may distansya. Pero, itong taong to, sabihin nating mas pinipili nito yung stability niya. Okay? Mas pinipili niya yung stability. I don't know kung anong part. Kung sa connection ba ninyo. Okay? Kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng separation, mas iniintindi niya yung mga sabihin natin kailangan niyang intindihin sa ngayon. Okay? Maraming plano itong taong to. Sa totoo lang. They want to be more stable. Hindi malayo na sabihin natin nagkaroon na din kayo ng plano ng taong to na talagang i-level up yung inyong connection. Hindi malabo. Hindi malabo na tiningnan mo na siya as your other half. Pwedeng ganoon din siya sa'yo. Ikaw na yung parang gusto niya makasama forever. Yeah. Pero, this person, sabihin natin, kung sa kanya lang tayo magfo-focus, marami siyang gustong mangyari sa buhay. Marami siyang plano, marami siyang gustong marating, marami siyang gustong makamit, makuha. Parang ganun. Okay? So, number 36 could be significant. So, let's see. What is the emotion right now for you, Cancer? Diba sa inyo, ito specific, hindi para sa lahat. Kung lumayo ito, at alam mong itong taong to ay may iba, yun ang dahilan nun. Okay? Yung iba, yun ang dahilan. Kaya siya lumayo. So, let's see. Emotion. Judgment. Pwedeng iniisip niya na ginajudge mo siya. Na-judge mo siya sa mga nagawa niyang kung ano man na action. Okay? Pakiramdam niya na na-judge mo siya. Why? Why the judgment? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Pwedeng mali ang tingin mo dito, Cancer, sa taong ito. Okay? Iba kasi, yes, mayroong nangyaring pagdistansya. Sabi ko nga nung una. May nangyaring pagdistansya. Ang tingin mo, or ang tingin niya, is parang nadjudge mo siya. Iba sa kanila, ayaw nila makipagbalikan. Pwedeng ginajudge mo siya, pakiramdam niya. Okay? Mali yung tingin mo sa kanya. Yun yung nakukuha ko. The Five of Cups is here in reversed. The Four of Swords in reversed. This is, sabihin nating, maraming natutunan nitong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Marami siyang natutunan. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Miss opportunity. Alam mo, kung kayo ay naghiwalay, para sa kanya miss opportunity to. Yeah. Pwede kasing iniisip mo, yung iba sa inyo, makasarili siya. Ayun ang tingin din niya eh. Yun yung pakiramdam ng tao. Tingin mo sa kanya, makasarili siya. Kasi hindi na siya nakikipagbalikan sa'yo. Hindi siya nakikipag-ayos na sa'yo. Parang hinayaan na lang niya to. Okay? Sa totoo lang, news opportunity. Ang nakikita ko, ang nararamdaman ko, oo, pagdating sa kanya, alam niyang may potential yung pagsasama na to or yung connection na nangyari sa inyo, pwedeng i-upgrade maybe or i-level up siguro. Matagal na to eh. Matagal na to para sa iba sa inyo, matagal na tong connection na to, pero biglang anyari, bakit aalis ka na? Bakit mga ganong bagay? Bakit nakikipaghiwalay ka? Something like that. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng responsibilities ang dahilan. Some of them may chance na talagang nag-mature itong taong to sa connection nyo. Alam niya na kung anong mas importante. Parang ganon eh. Okay, I don't know kung anong dahilan. Pwede namang hindi humiwalay, di ba? Yung iba sa kanila, alam natin na pwedeng merong iba. The Four of Wands is here. Yeah, the Eight of Cups universe. Hindi pa ito nakaka-move on sa'yo, Cancer. Let's see, anong dahilan nga? I'll give you, clarity sa iba sa inyo. Anong dahilan nito, Cancer? The Devil in reversed. In general, gusto ng taong itong mapabuti ka, mapabuti siya. I don't know. Okay? The Six of Cups is here. So siguro, habang kayo ay nasa connection, hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang, sabi nating flow. Okay? Hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang flow. Puro, sabihin nating issue na lang. So siguro, yung separation, may chance na ito yung magbibigay sa amin ng mas magandang, sabihin nating point of view, no? Magbibigay sa atin like stepping stone para mas maging okay yung situation. Okay, yeah, the world universe. Walang nangyayari eh. Walang ganap. Walang pagbabago. So, siguro, kahit sabihin nating tingin niya sa'yo is ikaw yung para sa kanya or vice versa, walang mangyayari sa atin. Hindi tayo mabubuhay ng mahal natin ang isa't isa. Parang ganun, kailangan nating mag-grow, kailangan nating mag-improve. Ganun siya eh. So, iba sa inyo, Cancer, kung ikaw, naiwan ka ng taong to sa mga ganung rason, kailangan humabol ka sa ganoong frequency. Hindi tayo hahabol doon sa person. Hahabulin natin yung frequency o yung energy ng tao. Okay? Kung gusto niyang maging okay, kung gusto niya mag-improve, ikaw rin dapat mag-improve. Okay? This is a strong connection, I guess. Some of you. Okay? The Four of Wands kasi is somebody or something, sabihin natin patungkol sa twin flame. Okay? Yeah. Kaya kung anong kailangan gawin ng isa, siguro ganun din ang pathway mo. Kasi isa kayo eh. 'Di ba? Sa mga naniniwala. Okay? Twin flame. Isang soul lang 'yon. Okay? Nag-separate lang to grow. To improve, to learn. Okay po. So, yun ang nakakuha ko sa'yo, Cancer. So, we have here Scorpio, Earth, Water, Capricorn, and Fire. So, next. Okay. Next is Leo. So, Leo. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leo. Who is this person? Tingnan natin yung kanyang emotion for you this week. Who is this person, Leo? Anong meron sa kanya? Mature man. Okay. Pwedeng mas matanda sa'yo. Okay. Pag nakikita ko to, minsan iniisip ko somebody na pwedeng mataas yung pinag-aralan, parang ganyan, wealthy. Okay? Or sabihin nating mature lang talagang mag-isip itong taong to in general. Whether babae or lalaki. Okay? Mature. Somebody who is so mature. So, what's with this mature man? What's with this? Mature man for Leo. The Two of Swords. What? Grabe naman yung bulong na yan. So, Leo, they're dealing with two people. Isa ka, may isa pa. Yeah. That's so specific. They're dealing with two people. Specific yun. Some of them matanda na nga sa'yo. Pwedeng may kakonect na siya na iba. And aware ka na sa kung anong meron sa kanya. Yeah, the world. Iba sa inyo po ha, may chance na LDR or somebody I'm sensing here foreign blood. Okay? Foreign blood. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Anyway, some of you sa situation may nakikita ako ditong pag-avoid or kailangan i-avoid. Somebody is being indecisive. Pwedeng itong taong to ang nagiging indecisive pagdating sa'yo. May decision to na kailangan gawin. Or may mga pangako na kailangan niyang i-grant. Maybe. No? Pero masyadong matagal. Masyado nang matagal to. Wala akong nakukuhang energy about a decision or an action coming from this person. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon nito for you, Leo? Iba sa inyo, napangakuan ka ng kasal nito. Specific yun. Napangakuan ka ng kasal. Let's see. Emotion for you. The Eight of Swords in reverse. And Temperance in reversed. Puro salita. Puro siya salita. Alam mo, Leo, nakokontrol ka niya. Actually, pwedeng may sabihin to na gusto kanya makita this week. Or pwedeng gusto kanya puntahan this week. May ganong energy. They want to see you. They want to meet you. Anong meron? Parang isa na naman tong sa mga pangakong napapako Ha? Tingnan natin. Sana naman matuloy, no? The Ten of Cups in reverse. The Chariot in reverse. It's a no. So, bibingwitin ka na naman, ihuhuk ka na naman ng taong to sa mga salita niyang magaganda. It's like, energy of a King of Wands in reversed. The King of Wands in reversed. Yeah. The Three of Wands. So, meron ngang iba, may chance. Another two of Wands in reversed. Kaya hindi siya makagawa. Puro salita lang po ito. Specific po yung nakukuha ko dito. Leos. Pwedeng LDR kayo. May age gap. Pwedeng may mga pangako. Isa na doon is marriage. Isa na doon is pagkikita. Magiging open. Maybe sa family. Parang ganyan. Yung parang gagawin kang something na parang legal, no? Parang legal na. Pero Hindi ko nakukuha na gagawin niya yun or tutuparin niya. Ang mga nakukuha ko kasi sa kanya is huwag ka mag-alala. Parang ganun, huwag ka mag-alala. Tutuparin ko yun lahat. Parang ganun. So, ikaw naman ito, na parang mapapaasa ka. They're indecisive. Hindi sila gumagawa ng desisyon, tong taong to. Never. Pagdating sa'yo, I'm sorry. Never siyang gagawa. Puro salita lang po. Opo, puro salita lang. Minsan talagang, alam niyo yun, yung parang, okay, sige, ito may date tayong ganito. Dito sa ganitong panahon, sa ganitong araw, sa ganitong oras, sa ganitong, mga ganyan. Pero pag nandyan na, something came up. Ganto, ganyan. Nakaw. Hindi ko alam, bakit siya nandyan pa rin. Let's see. Bakit siya nag-i-stay? Or bakit siya nandyan pa rin? Kung di naman siya gumagawa ng decision. The Emperor. Yeah, the mature man, the Emperor. They're in control. Sila yung may control sa'yo, Leo. Yeah. May chance na may pag-aaway ako nakukuha ngayong week. May chance. Kasi pwedeng may binitawan tong salita ngayong week na mangyayari pero hindi niya gagawin. That's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Nine of Swords in reversed. The Ace of Wands in reversed. No worries. So, hindi sila nagwo-worry dito. They're in control. Okay? Anyway. Yeah. Parang ikaw yung napapasunod niya. Ganun siya. So. So, we have here air, water, Sagittarius, air, fixed sign, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, and air sign. Okay, so next. Yeah, number 5 could be significant, mga Leos. Okay, so next is Virgo. So Virgo placements. Let's see your person's emotion this week pagdating sa'yo. Pero kuha muna tayo ng energy or description ng tao. Let's see. Virgo. Family room. Okay. Number 21 could be significant. There's something about a house or around the house. Family. Okay. Maybe this person is open sa family mo. Or vice versa. What's with this family room? What's with this family room for you, Virgo? Anong meron dito sa kanya, sa family room? Knight of Wands. Ito, specific. Pwedeng nakatulog na to sa bahay mo. Pwedeng nakatulog na siya sa inyo. Pwedeng kilala na siya ng family mo. Open sa family mo. Pwedeng may past energy na nanggagaling sa kanya. Pwedeng ilang beses na kayong nagbalikan itong taong to. Ikaw ang binabalikan niya. The Knight of Wands. They want their freedom, actually. They want their freedom. So I think open to. Pagdating sa family mo, open siya, parang ganyan. Like, welcome. Ganun yung energy. So hindi malabong may nangyari na sa inyo, no? Itong taong to. May chance. Oo, yung iba. So kung wala man, okay lang. Pero yeah, sinabi ko lang 'yon kasi may nakikita akong ganon. Okay? Somebody who is younger. Pwedeng younger. Pwedeng age niya is 21, I think. Parang kasi may 21 dito. Anyway, yeah, the Ace of Cups. They want their freedom. Actually, ayaw nila ng control. Ayaw nila ng pangontrol. Siguro, kung ikaw kinokontrol mo to. Ayaw nila yon. Lagi kayong mag-aaway nitong taong to. May sarili kang gusto, Virgo. May sarili siyang gusto. Mag-aaway kayo nito. Ganon, ha? Let's see. Anong emosyon niya ngayon pagdating sa'yo? Anong emosyon niya ngayong week for you? The Eight of Pentacles. Their focus is on you. Okay? What's with that? The Knight of Cups. Hot and cold, inconsistent. Pero yeah, the Three of Cups. Iba sa inyo, ha, Virgo. Sabihin natin yung energy, gusto niya makipag-ayos, actually. Parang energy is no label, pero parang kayo. Ba't ganon? They want reconciliation. Yeah, they want reconciliation. Ito yung lagi nasa utak niya, ha. Yan lagi. About reconciliation. About pakikipag-ayos. Pero hindi nila pinapakita yan. The Knight of Cups in reversed. Their emotions like fluctuating, like on off, parang ganyan. Up down, parang ganyan. The Moon in reversed. They're sad every time na hindi kanila nakikita, every time na hindi ka nakakausap, every time yung energy mo is lumalayo. They're sad. At ang taong to, umi-effort to, ha. Umi-effort ito na ipakita sa'yo na parang hindi consistent yung love or yung emotion niya sa'yo. May effort na ginagawa. Meaning, sa totoo lang, nandun yung love pa rin ito for you. Okay? We have here the Ace of Cups. Yeah. Kung pinapakitaan ka nito ng mixed signals, andyan siya, miya, andyan, sabihin nating 1 minute wala siya, 1 minute nandyan na, like that. Magpaparamdam sa'yo, magme-message sa'yo, out of nowhere, mga ganyan. Nonsense na mga sinasabi, makapag-message lang sa'yo, yes. Andun yung energy na, yeah, hindi sila consistent, pero hindi nila kasi magawa na totally lumayo sa energy mo. And yun nga, with effort yun. Nahihirapan tong taong to every time na hindi kayo consistent sa isa't isa. Okay? Itong taong to, lagi kang iniisip. They want reconciliation. Alam mo, Virgo, focus sa'yo. Hindi ko hahayaan itong taong to na parang ganyan lang ng ganyan. Kasi parang ang kalalabasan yan, parang ikaw pa yung parang ma-friend zone. Oo, ikaw pa yung mababaliktad dito. Okay, ikaw pa. Or sabihin nating friend zone mo siya. Babaliktarin ka niyan. Okay? Ikaw pa masisisi. Andito naman ako, ganto. Bakit hindi mo ba maramdaman? Bakit ako nandito? Hello? Okay? Ikaw pa masisisi nito. That's that's channeled. Ikaw pa sisisihin niya. Bakit kasi hindi mo makita? Bakit kasi hindi mo maramdaman? Nandito nga ako lagi. Oo, kahit minsan nagchat-chat ako sa'yo. Hindi mo ba maramdaman yon? Hindi mo ba makita? Kung bakit ko ginagawa yun? Aba, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung ibabato mo. Sa totoo lang, sila yung hindi makapagsabi ng totoong intensyon. Alam mo bakit? Kasi yung tingin nila sa'yo, you're too busy pagdating sa ibang bagay. Kaya po sila hindi nagiging consistent. Takot din sila po, no? Takot sila na magbigay ng totoong, sabihin natin, takot sila maging vulnerable. Takot sila maging transparent sa emosyon nila. Okay, they want reconciliation this week. May chance na parang yung magme-message sa'yo out of nowhere. Tatanong kung kamusta na ba yung ganito, kamusta na ba yung ganyan, kamusta yung kapitbahay mo, ganyan-ganyan. May nakita akong ganito malapit sa inyo, magkano kaya yun? Mga ganong bagay. Okay. So, yeah. Mga ganyan, no? Huwag nyo i-take like yun talaga yung gagawin. Pero makakuha ka ng something about this person this week. Okay? So, there. So, we have here earth, water, fire. Okay? So, yeah. So, next. Libra. Okay. Libra placements. Hi. Okay, so let's see your person's emotion this week. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Libra. Your person's description. Anong meron sa kanya? Let's see. Who is this person, Libra? Courtship. So, there's this energy about partnership, maybe. Okay? So, let's see. Maybe, gusto niya ng connection with you. Okay? Number 4 could be significant. Number 4. What's with this courtship? Pwedeng niligawan ka. Niligawan mo. May connection ngayon. Something like that. Let's see. Clarify natin itong courtship. Okay. What? Masyadong mahiyain itong taong to. Napaka-specific. They're shy. Shy type. Let's say itong taong ito, they want a connection with you, pero hindi nila sinasabi. Tinatago lang nila. The Sun in reversed. Pwedeng crush ka nitong taong to. Gusto ka niya, type ka niya, pero hindi sila nagiging open. Hindi nila sinasabi yon, hindi nila pinapakita, hindi nila ini-express na gusto nila ng connection with you. Let's see. Why the Sun in reverse? Pwedeng Leo. What's with this Sun in reversed? Justice. The Empress. Woo! That's your energy. Libra, you're available. Are you available for them? Or are you available in general? Pagdating sa love? Some of you, hindi. Oo. Kaya ganito. Some of you, kasal ka. Iba sa inyo, may anak ka. Kaya hindi nila masabi na gusto nila makipag-connect sa'yo. This is so specific. Yeah. Parang mayroon akong binabasahan dito, ilan. Kaya ito hindi maging open or straightforward sa'yo pagdating sa emosyon or pagdating sa kagustuhan, pagdating nga sa'yo in general. Hindi pwede kasi nandoon yung sabihin natin iba sa inyo kasal. Alam nila yun. The justice is here. Kasal or pwedeng ikaw itong may anak, may mga responsibilities, I think. Hindi pwede like that, like hindi dapat, parang ganon. Kaya hindi ko kailangan or hindi dapat talaga ipakita, ayoko, parang ganon. Gusto ka niya pero hindi niya pinapakita kasi hindi pwede. No efforts at all, no actions. Yeah, the Chariot, the Four of Swords. So, lagi ko nitong iniisip, sa totoo lang. They're sad every time na hindi ka niya nakikita. They're sad. Let's see, anong emosyon niya sa ngayon pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng Libra like you. Fellow Libra, we have here Leo. Okay. So, what is their emotion? The King of Pentacles in reverse. Guarded. Could be a Capricorn or an Earth sign. What's with this King of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Pag-i-stock lang ng pag-i-stock ang gagawin ng taong to sa'yo. Yeah, the Ten of Cups. Meron ditong may family na. Oo, pamilyado. Yeah, the Two of Swords. I can't, Libra. I can't. But yeah, gusto kita, pero hindi pwede. So, kikim-kimin ko na lang ito. Yeah. Nakakuha ko dito ng Taurus. Okay. Alam nyo, Libra, mahilig mag-stock yung mga Taurus. Yung iba sa kanila. Opo. Ay, hindi po ako mahilig mag-stock. Ay, naku po, Diyos ko, patawarin. Okay. Nakakuha talaga ako dito ng somebody like Earth sign. Ini-stock ka lang ng ini-stock nitong taong to. The Ten of Wands in reverse. The World. So, yeah, there's this pagdistansya or distance in general na gagawin. Okay? Pero, some of you, makikita mo tong taong to staring at you across the room. Parang ganyan. Mapapansin mo palagi lang itong nakatitig sa'yo or nakatingin sa'yo. They're into you actually. Pero, hindi pwede. I don't know kung sino dito ang already in a commitment. So, kung alam mong siya ang may commitment na, well, gusto ka ng taong to, pero hindi pwede. Alam nila yon. Alam nilang hindi ka dapat i-pursue. Okay? I don't know why. Kung bakit pa. So, yun lang. Yung pinakamalakas na energy. Okay? So, we have here fire, air, earth, a fellow Libra, and Leo. So, next, Scorpio. Okay, hang on. Sandali lang po. Okay, so, Yeah, Scorpio again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotion this week. Kuha muna tayo ng description. Okay, kunin ko yon. Journey. Number 10 could be significant. So, let's see what's with this journey. Iba sa inyo, may chance na you have to, travel pa. Okay, para makita mo tong taong to, mga ganyan. They want to travel. They love to travel, maybe. Yeah, mahilig sila mag-travel, I think. Let's see what's with this journey. Para nakakuha ko ng energy dito about Aries. Like that. It's like the Fool. Parang ganon. Anyway. What's with this journey? Okay. Death. Yeah, this person wants challenges. Challenge. Changes. Like that. Some of you, may nangyaring separation sa inyong dalawa or endings. Para magkaroon ng growth and improvement. Both sides, maybe. Okay? What's with this death? Pwedeng Scorpio. Like you, a fellow Scorpio. What's with this death? 5 of Cups. Ito specific, Scorpio. Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on dito sa taong to. You're still, on your healing journey. Okay, from this person. You're still healing from this one. Yeah, that's specific. Iba sa inyo, may chance na talagang sumakabilang buhay na itong taong to. And you're still mourning. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, sorry for the loss. Sorry for your loss. Anyway, so, yeah, mga specific po yun, ha? Yeah. Some of them, they're an overthinker. Marami silang gustong mangyari sa buhay nila. Maraming challenge sa buhay nila, actually. Pero, minsan, dinadaan niya sa iyak. Minsan, dinaraan niya sa inom. Mga ganun. Yeah. Anong meron? Anong emosyon niya for you right now? Scorpio. Anong emosyon niya for you? Ten of Cups. Iba sa inyo. Okay, sabi ko nga kung ito ay pumanaw na, ha? Kung itong tao to ay pumanaw na talaga, literal na pumanaw, ha? Gusto nito na maging masaya ka na. Okay, ayaw na nito na nag-iiyak ka na. Nag-iiyak ka pa. Sila masaya na. Okay? So, specific yun, ha? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Gusto nito maging happy ka na rin. They want you to be happy kasi sila happy na. Okay? So, gusto niya mag-start ka na uli. No? Mag-start ka na uli. Fresh, new start. Anyway. So, 10 of Cups. Sa tingin ko, kung anong mga nangyari sa past, andun yung energy about pagtanggap, like acceptance nga, okay? So, ang energy dito is acceptance. Accept kung anong kailangan. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Star. Healing. O, diba? Some of you, you're healing. You need to heal. Ayun ang gusto ng tao. Accept kung anong kailangan. So maybe kung ikaw itong umalis, kung anong mga naging decision mo, journey, okay, anything na pwedeng kailangan mong gawin as an individual, they're just accepting it and moving on kahit mahirap. Okay, the Ace of Wands, having a new beginning. Wag mo daw hayaan na parang iyakan pa rin kung anong meron dito sa sitwasyon na to. Maybe sila, iniyakan nila to, pero enough na, like that. It's time for me to grow. It's time for me to heal. It's time for me to move forward. Ganun yung nakikita ko sa kanya. They're like just accepting kung anong meron sa situation ninyo, Scorpio. Okay? Some of you have this age gap, age difference. They want you to be happy. Yeah. The Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba sa kanila, gusto nito na alagaan mo mabuti yung sarili mo. Yeah. They still care. They still care. Kung ikaw, Scorpio, yung parang feeling mo nakakawawa ka sa sitwasyon kasi iniwan ka, no, gusto nila mag-grow ka. Kasi, concern itong taong to sa'yo. I don't know kung anong meron nung kayo pa. Gusto ng taong to na maabot mo rin. Okay? Yun, yung ating tunog. Gusto nitong taong to na maabot mo rin lahat. Okay? Nang gusto mo sa buhay mo. Gusto niya. Gusto niya. Yun ang gustong mangyari ng taong to. Kasi, mahalaga ka. Mahalaga ka sa kanya. I don't know kung anong meron. Siguro nung kayo pa, parang walang pinatutunguhan or walang direction yung buhay mo or yung parehong buhay nyo. Hindi mo makita yung pathway mo. Hindi mo makita yung kailangan mong tahakin. Like that. Okay? So, yeah. The Seven of Wands, Universe, the Magician. It's like, hindi natin kailangan ipilit yung sitwasyon natin. Parang ganun eh. Hindi natin pwedeng ipilit ng ipilit kasi tayo rin yung mapapagod. So, kung ito yung parang kailangan natin gawin para umusad, kahit masakit, sa umpisa, ito yung gawin natin. Parang ganun. So, accepting the situation. Happy siya. They're moving on. Marunong siyang tumanggap. Marunong siyang rumispeto. Yun yung nakukuha ko dito, Scorpio. Okay? Gusto niya maging okay ka rin. Hindi sila nagiging madamot dito. Kasi nakukuha ko yung energy nila na good naman yung intention. Yeah. Okay? So, there. So, we have here Earth sign, Aquarius, water, and Scorpio, fellow Scorpio. So, number 10, again, could be significant. Okay. So, next, Sagittarius. Okay, Sag. Your person's emotion this week. For you, Sag. Let's see. Sagittarius. Okay, kuha tayong description kung anong meron dun sa person. Sag. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Sag. Let's see. Thief. Oh no. Nakita ko na to kanina sa utak ko. Siya pa rin yung lumabas. I don't know why. Number 24 could be significant. Thief. So, anong meron? Anong meron dyan sa thief? Let's see. Somebody na pwedeng sneaky, deceptive. Okay? Anyway, what's with this thief? Pagdating dito sa person mo. The 5 of Swords. Are they throwing you mixed signals? Too much conflict. Too much conflict. Magaling itong mag-manipulate. Itong taong to. Magaling siyang magmanipula. Magaling magsalita. Magaling gumawa ng mga sitwasyon. Alam mo na, magaling magmanipula. Okay? The 10 of Swords. May chance na parang binackstab ka ng taong to ilang beses. Nakapagsinungaling sa'yo itong taong to ilang beses. Pwede maging vice versa. Or flip yung energy. Okay? Pwedeng siya yung gumawa sa'yo nito. Parang ganon. Madalas na huhuli tong taong to. In general, no? I don't know who's who. Yung madalas na huhuli na merong ka-connect or merong kausap. Pero andun yung i-deny or parang alam mo yun, pag nahuhuli parang napakabait. Parang may ganyang energy. What's with this 5 of Swords? And the Ace of Pentacles. Some of them, may chance na nagkaroon kayo ng on and off ng taong to. Gusto palagi ng new beginning with you pero hindi mo alam kung ano ang intention or kung ano ba ang mangyayari or kung ano ba, bakit ba, parang ganyan. Okay? The Fool. Yeah. Lagi lang may new beginning sa inyo pero hindi makita. Bakit? Lagi lang andyan yung conflict. Something. Issue na parang nasa-swept lang under the rug. Parang ganyan. What is their emotion right now? What is their emotion right now? For you, this coming week, Sag. The 3 of Cups in reversed. Uy. What's with that? 7 of Wands in reverse. 2 of Pentacles. Somebody dealt with 2 or more person here, I guess. They doesn't care about reconciliation. They doesn't care about reconciliation, about pakikipag-ayos. Kasi parang walang dito eh. Walang harang, like walang limit. Pakiramdam ng taong to, kahit hindi kayo magkaayos nito, kahit hindi kayo magkaroon ng label nito, open yung situation. I don't know if this person is sanay sa pakikipag-connect kahit kanino or pakikipag-connect sa marami. Like that. The 3 of Cups is here in reverse. May chance na no label yung inyong connection. Okay? No label, no commitments at all. Parang they just want to connect. No responsibilities, no commitments at all. Like that. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Some of them, they're young. They're younger. Okay, so yung energy niya is parang nakikipaglaro lang. Sag, para siya nakikipaglaro lang. Madalas, yung iba sa kanila, nakikita ko, pwedeng ilagay ka na sa third party. Okay? Sabihin natin, naging sneaky, naging deceptive, indecisive, aloof, hot and cold, mixed signals, like that. They're just playing around. Okay? Ginagawa ka niyang fool, Sag. Ginagawa ka niyang fool. The fool. Pinaiikot-ikot ka lang nito. Makikipagbalikan, pero pag nakipagbalikan, meron pang namang iba. Like that. Kaya hindi ka niya nabibigyan ng label or sabihin nating assurance, no? Ang nandyan lang na kaya niyang ibigay is flirt. Parang ganon. Flirt or playtime. They're just playing around, no? Yung energy is like, yeah, cheater or a player. Playette, kung babae. Okay? Some of them, they just want to be happy. Meron silang, sabihin nating trauma. Childhood trauma. Pwedeng nakaka-apekto sa kanya to. Itong trauma na to, kaya sila ganyan. Some of them, takot sila na, they have abandonment issues. That is why. Okay? Ayaw lang nung naiiwan sila. Yes, pwede sila yung umiwan, pero ayaw nila na sila yung iiwan. That is why. Maybe, kaya sila connect ng connect kung kani-kanino. Wala namang binibigay na commitments. This is just like, energy ng laro-laro. They're not serious. Okay? They're not serious. And yeah, itong taong to is sad. They are sad. Kaya nagagawa nila to. Mayroong pinanguhugutan yung person. Pero, syempre, masama, no? Mali pa rin. Okay? They're using people, eh. Okay? They're using you para maging happy. So, kawawa tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Okay? Nakikipaglokohan lang to. I'm sorry, pero, yeah. Kunyari, makikipagayos, makikipagbalikan, pero nandun pa rin. May iba pa rin, nakakonek. Hindi nila maalis sa sarili nila na hindi kumonek sa iba. Makipaglandian sa iba. Mga ganun. Open siya to flirt. No commitments at all. Gusto nila ng connection with you. Okay? Iba yung connection, iba yung relation. For me. So, kaya itong taong to, pwede siyang makipag-connect kahit kanino. Pwede tayo makipag-connect kahit kanino, pero hindi tayo pwedeng makipagrelasyon kahit kanino or sabihin nating sabay-sabay. No? Parang ganun. Anyway. So, matawag ko to na connection lang. Gusto lang niya ng connection with you. No commitments at all. Pwedeng makita mo tong taong to, magpapapansin sa'yo to next week. This week. Okay? So, yun lang. Yeah. The Two of Pentacles. Meaning, they will just, the Seven of Pentacles universe, they will just waste your time. Yeah. Some of them, they're just bored. They're juggler. Okay? So, we have here fire, water, earth, and air. Okay? So, there. So, next. Capricorn. Capricorn. Let's see. Let's check your person's emotion this coming week for you. Kuha tayong description sa taong to, Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Capricorn, anong meron sa kanya? The Lovers. Number 15 could be significant here. Okay? 15. What's with these lovers? Some of you, pwedeng kakonect mo siya ngayon, karelasyon mo siya ngayon. They want relationship with you. Let's see. What's with these lovers? Lovers. Could be Gemini. The Five of Pentacles. What's with that 5 of Pentacles? They need you. This person needs you. The 2 of Cups. Oh, a strong connection. Yeah, this is a strong one. They always find way, to connect. Yeah, every time na magkakaroon kayo ng sabihin nating conflict or issue or arguments or kahit ano, like pagdating sa separation or ending or bahala ka dyan sa buhay mo, like that thing, hindi pwedeng magko-connect, hindi kayo pwedeng hindi magko-connect muli. This is a strong connection. We have here, pwedeng soulmate or twin flame connection. Okay? So, we have here lovers, the 2 of Cups, water sign, 5 of Pentacles is earth sign. Okay? So, let's see. Okay, 6 of Pentacles. May chance talaga na lagi na lang may humihingi ng sorry dito. Lagi lang nakikipaghiwalay sa'yo tong taong to, anything. Parang, kahit anong gawin nyo namamagnet at namamagnet kayong pareho para magbalikan, like that. Anyway, ano bang emotion niya for you, Capricorn? What's the emotion? Deep, deep down. The 2 of Wands. Why? Why the 2 of Wands? The Knight of Swords. Strength. I think they're planning something. Yeah, they're planning something. Iba sa kanila, may chance na kung kayo ay may separation, the 5 of Pentacles is here. Kung meron kayong sabihin nating nagkakatalikuran kayo sa ngayon, no? May chance itong taong to nag-iisip na mag-reach out this coming week. Okay, mag-reach out. Strength. Temperance, yeah. Hindi nila kaya Hindi nila kaya na parang magkalayo kayo, may agwat, may distansya. Ayaw nila yun. Gagawa ng paraan nitong taong to na mag-connect muli kayo or magkabalikan if ever. Okay? The Knight of Swords. Seven of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Tatanggalin yung tension, tatanggalin yung issue, kung ano mang meron. The Star. Yeah. It's like healing the situation. Parang ganyan. This is like worth fighting for. Worth fighting for. Yeah, the Chariot. Iba sa kanila, may chance na puntahan ka kung magkalayo kayo. Okay? I'm getting this plan. Alam mo, Capricorn, ito kung okay naman kayo, mapapansin mo tong taong to parang i-reject or parang ini-neglect ka. Okay? I don't know, parang part yun ng kanyang plano. Parang part yun ng plano niya. I don't know if this is a surprise. So, I'm sorry kung na-spoiled, no? Anyway, yeah, may ganun po akong energy na nakukuha. Kung napapansin nyo, okay naman kayo. Okay naman ka, tapos bigla kang nini-neglect, bigla kang ini-ignore. Ano kayang meron dito? Parang ganun. Meron dito something like kabigla-bigla. Oo, na surprise. That's so specific, not for all. Okay, so pwedeng yun nga, may chance na bibisitahin ka nito, biglaan, magda-travel siya, papunta sa'yo. Yeah. There's this, sabihin nating offer or a present. Pinagpaplanuhan ka ng taong ito, sa totoo lang, kung ano man, there's this action na pwedeng gawin ng taong to. Okay. A getaway. I don't know kung ano yun. Four of Cups. Seven of Swords. Yeah. I don't know. I think ito yung parang gusto mo na hindi mo nakuha before pero siya yung mag-grant for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Kung surprise to. Oo. At matuloy. I'm sorry. Nakuha na natin yung energy. So, hindi na siya surprise. Okay, anyway. So, kung itong taong to is may distansya sa inyo, may nangyaring separation, gusto kanyang kausapin, gusto kanyang makita, gusto niyang mawala yung tension, okay, sa inyo. Ayaw niya ng may tension, ayaw niya ng may block, ayaw niya ng may borders, like boundaries, ayaw niya nun. Okay? So, may chance na gumawa ng action tong taong to this week. May chance. Okay? So, we have here fire, Cancerian, air, fire, water, and earth, and Gemini. Okay? So, there. So, next, Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius placements. Let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Pero tingnan muna natin ano bang meron sa kanya. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, Aqua, who is this person? Who is this person? Sino ba tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Child. Somebody na pwedeng mas bata sa'yo. Number 18 could be significant. Okay. So, let's see. Who is this child? For me, it's like a new beginning. Start. Okay? A fresh new start. Like that. Wanting a fresh new start. Maybe. Okay? So, ano ba meron dito sa child? What's with this? Some of them, pwedeng may anak na. Okay? Some of them. Kukunin natin lahat ng description na pwede. What's with this child? Or pwedeng may anak kayo. Parang ganun. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Some of them, they're immature. Yeah, parang siyang stuck sa kung anong nakasanayan, like that. And yeah, they're scared of getting out of their comfort zone. Parang may ganun yung energy ng tao. What's with this Wheel of Fortune in reversed? Yeah, the Devil in reversed. Itong taong to, takot siya na baguhin kung ano man yung kailangan ng baguhin pagdating sa sarili niya. They're stuck sa kung anong nakasanayan. Kailangan nilang may i-work out sa sarili nila in general. Yeah, the Queen of Wands in reverse. Some of them, there's this a lot of insecurities pagdating sa sarili. Okay, they're insecure. Kung ano man, hindi ko alam. Insecurities in general. A lot. That is why. Doubt sa sarili. They're not confident sa mga gusto nilang gawin, sa mga gusto nila, like sa mga plano nila. They're like a self-sabotager. Okay? Dala ng kaimaturan. Opo. Or sabihin nating bata pa yung person. Okay? So, let's see what is their emotion for you. What is their emotion? Itong taong to, gusto lang niya dun sa kung anong nakasanayan. Some of you have this unfinished business with this person. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon kayo ng anak nitong taong to na hindi planado. Yeah. Anong meron? Emotion niya for you, Aqua? Kunin ko to. What else? What's this? The Star. So, this is you. That's your energy. Some of you might be dealing with a fellow Aqua. What's with that, the Star? The Five of Cups. Feeling nitong taong ito, I think they're kinukumpara nila yung sarili na sa'yo. Feeling nila nakaka-move on ka na without them. Feeling nila mas nagiging okay ka without them. Like that. Hindi ka nila ma-reach. Like that. Ganon yung nakukuha ko sa kanya. Now you're doing fine without them. The Knight of Swords. Marami tong gustong sabihin sa'yo. Pero they don't know how. They don't know papaanong sisimulan. Okay? Sa totoo lang, they're moving on. No? They're moving on from you. Or pwedeng ang tingin niya is nakaka-move on ka na from them. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reversed. They need you actually. They need you. I need Aqua. Like that. I need Aquarius. I can't live without Aqua. Ikaw yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng comfort. Ikaw yung parang mong na-spoon-fed tong taong to, Aqua. Para mo siyang na-spoon-fed. Like, ginrant mo lahat ng gusto. Kaya hindi siya sanay without you. Okay? Hindi sila sanay. Okay? They can't move without you. See? The Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Swords. A lot of decision na kailangan gawin. A lot of action. Pero I can't. Kailangan ko ng masasabihin ni ako, ano bang ganto, ganyan. Yeah. Para silang bata. Okay? Parang lahat ng kilos nila kailangan pa nilang sabihin sa'yo, Aqua. They need you. Hindi ko sinabi na balikan mo to ha kasi kailangan ka. No. I don't know kung kayo ay magka-connect pa nito. Kung kayo ay magka-connect pa, hindi siya nag-grow kung gano'n ang ginagawa mo, Aqua. Hindi siya nagiging, sabihin nating, independent. Okay? Hindi natin kailangang isipin na, yes, kailangan kong i-provide everything dito sa taong to para ganto, ganyan. Hindi eh. Mas lalong nagiging, worst. Oo. Yung kanyang situation. Or yung kanyang, kung ano man, point of view, mga ganyang bagay. Ha? O siguro, kung kakonect mo to, magkaroon ka ng limit. Rules. Okay? Yeah, the Moon. They need you. I'm sad without you, Aqua. I can't. Nasaan ka na? Parang ganyan. Nasaan kaya siya? They're wondering. Some of them, napapanaginipan ka na. Lumalabas ka na sa panaginip. Alam mo, parang kang nanay o tatay dito sa taong to. Nakakakuha sila ng unconditional love from you. Nakakuha sila ng unconditional love. Kaya ganyan. They need to heal something from their like childhood. Okay? Yeah. So, yun ang ako nakukuha from this person. Okay? So, we have here Pisces, Earth, Water, fellow Aquarius, Capricorn, and, yeah. So, yun lamang. Yeah, again, number 18 could be significant. So, next, last but not the least, Pisces. Okay, so let's see your person's emotion this week for you, Pisces. Their emotion deep down. Let's see. Kunin muna natin yung description ng person. Okay, anong meron? Journey. Okay. Iisa yung mga cards. Ang dami-dami naman nito. Anyway, so number 10 could be significant. Mga Pisces. Let's see anong meron dyan sa journey. May nakakuha rin nito. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung sino. What's with this journey? Journey. The Two of Wands. Some of them may chance na nakatira siya malayo sa'yo. Okay, or maybe in general there's distance. Okay, gap maybe. What's with this Two of Wands? The Sun. Pwedeng Leo. Okay. May chance na ito specific po ha. May chance na itong taong to is merong plano about travel this coming summer. This summertime. Okay? Pwedeng hinihintay mo tong taong to na mag-travel papunta sa'yo. Or maybe, meron kayong plano na mag-travel this summer. This summer. Okay? So, yeah. Specific po yun, ha? Okay. This person loves vacation. Parang ganyan. Planning a vacation, maybe. They planning a vacation. Umuulan. Hi! Okay. So, ano ba ang emosyon nito for you? May narinig ako excitement nga. Oo, the Page of Wands in reverse. Anyway, let's see. What's with this? Oo. Anong meron sa emosyon nila this coming week for you? The High Priestess. What's with that? The Tower in reverse. Ten of Cups. Ano to? Nine of Wands. They want to take this relationship to the next level. Yeah. They want to take this relationship, this connection to the next level. Bakit po kayo sumisigaw? Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Let's see. Tingnan natin, Pwedeng Scorpio. Pwedeng Taurus. I guess Taurus or Cancerian. I don't know. The Nine of Wands. The Two of Swords. Yeah. This is a decision. The Nine of Wands. Itong taong to, sabihin nating babakuran ka na. Opo. Ha? Babakuran ka na niya. Okay. This is leveling up. They want to level things up. The relationship. Okay. Kung anong meron sa inyo, connection, they want to level things up. Yeah. Kung kayo ay sabi nating magka-chat lang kayo, talking stage, ganyan, ganto, they want to level things up. Yes! Sumisigaw na naman po kayo. Na-excite lang ako, no? For you. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. Hi! Pinaghahandang maigi. Oh my. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Ay! Anyway, sana matupad, no? Sana matupad to. It's like a journey, no? It's like a new journey, a new chapter. They want to enter new chapter, sa buhay nyo. And they see you as their, somebody na pwedeng makasama na forever. Yeah. Yeah. Nasigaw na naman kayo, madam. Wala ang ganda Oo, ang ganda. No? So, yeah. See the Fool. New chapter, the Ten of Cups. So, diba? Ang ganda. Happy ever after. Opo, oo. So, ganun. So, we have here Air, Fire, Scorpio. Again, Cancerian or Taurus. Leo, fire sign. And again, number 10 could be significant. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you! Bye!